this step, we will see how to install XAMPP temporarily. We are using XAMPP application. Once we install XAMPP, we can convert it into a web server. To install XAMPP, you can use the link which is given below on the description. To go to the description, scroll down the video and here is the description. Click on that link. And then you will be redirected to this page. Click on workshop. There you will see an option to download. Click on download. Okay, the folder is downloading here. Okay, it has downloaded. Now you have to click on open file. Here you will see the folder. Since this is a zip file, we have to extract that. Right click on that. Here you will see an option to extract files. Click on here. Here is the option to extract files. Click on that. Now you have to click on OK. So this is the file which we extracted. You have to open. Here you will see 4 subfolders: session 1, session 2, session 3 and software. You have to click on software. To install XAMPP, you have to open the first folder. Click on that. Now you will see a message like this. You have to click on yes. And then you will see a warning. You have to click on OK, but it won't cause any issues. Again, it will pop up a setup page. You have to just click on next. Again, click on next. Click on next. Now you have to select the language. We are selecting this as English. Click on next. Next. Now the installation has started. This might take around 5 to 10 minutes depending upon your device. Now you will be redirected to this final page when the installation is complete, and then you want to start the XAMPP control panel. For this installation process, we don't need any internet connections. Now you have to click on finish. Here you have to start Apache and MySQL services. Click on start. If the process is successful, it will be shown in green color. If there were any errors, it will be shown in yellow color.